Hey beauties, and welcome to Dominique's Vanity Corner. And today we are going to look at this Outre quick weave wig. This is Penny. She's 26 inches and this is the color 1. This is inside of the wig. It has combs in the front. It's plastic and combs in the back. So plastic combs, none on the side, but they are plastic, they're not metal. So here I am just putting the wig on straight from the packaging. And I usually get the 1B because my hair is brown. This is the 1B wig. The jet black, honestly, I love it much better, but I just want to show you the side-by-side comparison. I left hair out in front and I did use the curlers to curl it, but obviously it's not curling, it's not matching, and I think I left too much hair out. So I'm just going to cover that hair out, and off camera I did spray the wig with some 1B like temporary hair color spray. But yeah, it didn't work. It's just two different colors, and since they were sold out at the 1B, I'm trying to finesse it, and there's just no finessing it. This is just how it's going to be. The colors don't match, but I am going to continue to blend my hair in it to get a natural look. But honestly, I am going to get the continue with the jet black wig and just get the temporary hairspray that is in jet black. And this wig sells out often, and I can only find it usually in a 1B or a jet black. So that's why I'm going to get both sprays, and depending on which one I have, which wig, then obviously I'll use that hairspray. And I like to spray the perimeter of my head to make it look thicker. I don't like to leave hair out on these wigs because I like to work out during the week and I get sweaty and I don't have time. I don't want to sit here and blend it. So this is how I'm blending it right now, is just something I'm just doing it until it looks good. I have no particular like do it like this and steps. No, it's just until it looks good. And this is the final look. You can kind of see the brown and the black from the hairspray, but it's okay. I'm going to get another wig. I might even just do an update with this video with the black hairspray, but I love the look. These curls are everything, you guys. If you have any questions, please let me know. You can leave your questions and comments below. The link to this hair is also below. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you on my next video.